Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining InfoPulse, our new webinar series. We're excited to have you. For our first one, what we'll be talking about are website optimization essentials and how to maximize your online impact. On the agenda today, first and foremost, why even optimize your website? What optimization entails, first impressions, speed, mobile friendliness, key terminology explained, benefits of an optimized website, and then at the end, we'll touch briefly on how leveraging InfoFlex Jiffy CMS can help you with your optimization. Why optimize your website? First and foremost, there are a million reasons why you should, but we're just going to go over a few key reasons why you should. First and foremost, enhanced user experience. A well-optimized website provides visitors with a smooth and enjoyable experience, and this improves their overall satisfaction. Higher search engine rankings. Optimization, it helps boost your site's visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, leading to better organic traffic and increased discoverability. So what that would mean is you would be essentially listed on the first few pages of Google, on the first page, second page, rather than the 9th or 10th page. Faster loading times. Speed definitely matters. No one likes to sit and wait for pages to load, especially with all the technology out there these days. So having your website optimized and able to process things quickly helps reduce bounce rates and helps to retain your users. Mobile compatibility. Obviously, everyone has some type of either smartphone or smart device that has access to the internet. So you want to make sure that your website functions to the actual size of whatever mobile device your audience may be using. Another one that helps optimize your website is keyword relevance. So, whenever you're optimizing your content, having relevant keywords helps to attract your users. So, whatever business you're in, your keywords should be relevant to the service you're actually providing. Improve conversions. What this is, this can enhance the user journey. So this helps result in higher conversion rates. So what that means is just whenever someone's searching and they actually click on your link, what a conversion is they're either filling out a form giving you their information or making a purchase of some kind if you have an e-commerce on your website. Staying ahead of competitors. So having a competitive advantage is key as well. So everyone wants to make sure that, they're one step ahead of all of your other competitors. So this just helps by delivering a superior online experience and cost efficiency. So whenever your website is well optimized, this can help reduce your spend for paid advertising on different outlets. What does optimization even entail? So, first impressions, whenever you're thinking of a first impression, I always like to explain it that you're going on a first date or you're going to an interview. There should be a clear understanding of who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it. So, your website's design and layout should create a positive first impression and be clear, and it just ensures that you have a visually appealing and well thought out website that also aligns with your brand. Speed definitely matters. Again, a lot of these things are going to tie into each other, but improving page loading times for a seamless user experience, it brings in faster sites faster sites retain visitors and rank better in search results. So that goes back into what we were talking about earlier in terms of where you would be at. Mobile optimization, making your website responsive to various smart devices is crucial, especially in the technology world we're living in today. So you want to make sure that you do have a mobile-friendly website as you're continuing to grow. Keywords. Incorporating relevant keywords into your content, this improves search engine rankings and attracts users actively seeking your offerings. So again, whenever whenever you are attaching keywords to your website for search optimization, you want to make sure it is relevant to what your business actually does. User experience. So user experience really is the functionality of your website for your client. So making sure to prioritize, user-centric design, navigation should be intuitive, and the content should be easy to consume. Right away, they should be able to see exactly who you are, what you're doing, why you're doing it. Content quality, so offering valuable, engaging, up-to-date content keeps your visitors engaged and encourages return visits. So the more you're keeping your content quality fresh and up to date, whether it's pictures or if you have a blog or you have articles, that's going to help tie all of your keywords, your user experience, content quality, your SEO, search engine optimization, all tied together. But search engine optimization is our next point. So whenever you're optimizing, what this is on-page and off-page elements. So this is going to include your headings, meta tags, any of your analytics. So this goes into your keywords as well. If you're posting or liking someone's comment, that does is it creates a backlink, and then that brings organic traffic back to your website. Security, you can definitely never have too much security in technology, but you want to make sure that your website is secure. It just brings another level of professionalism. It helps with your client's trust. And whenever you implement a robust security system, it just ties those two things hand in hand to protect your user data and also to build that trust relationship with your clients. So as you can see, there are quite a few benefits of an optimized website. Improved user experience. This provides visitors with a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience, leading to increased user satisfaction and longer on-site engagement. Higher search engine rankings. Optimization enhances your website's visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, AOL, whatever it might be, making it more likely to appear in relevant search results and then gaining that organic traffic. So brings me to the next point, increased traffic. With improved visibility and higher search engine rankings, your website is going to attract a larger volume of targeted visitors, and this helps expand your reach. A better mobile compatibility. This, again, just ensures that your site is responsive to any smart device. So a cell phone, iPad, Kindle, tablet, Chromebook, whatever it might be, rather than just a normal laptop or PC. Relevant and targeted traffic. So by tying your specific keywords and your user intent, you attract visitors who are genuinely interested in your products or services. So this increases the likelihood of conversions. Faster page loading times, optimization techniques like image compression and code optimization can significantly reduce page loading times. This reduces bounce rates and it keeps your users engaged. Just enhance credibility and trust. Having that optimized website appears more professional, trustworthy to your users, and this also increases their confidence in your brand. Better conversion rates. You can streamline the user journey, making it easier for visitors to take desired actions, such as making a purchase, signing up, or contacting you, filling out that form. Cost efficiency compared to paid advertising, organic search traffic generated through optimization can be more cost effective in the long run. Gives you that competitive advantage. You're going to outperform your competitors when you're keeping your website optimized. This will help your website rank better, attract more visitors, and converts them into actual customers. Analytics and insights. Optimization allows you to gather data and insights about user behavior, helping you make informed decisions to further improve your website's performance. You have more of a global reach as well. So, optimization can help your website reach a global audience, allowing you to expand your customer base beyond your local market. Brand visibility, consistent optimization. So, it does take a little time, but consistent optimization can establish your brand as an authority in your industry or niche, enhancing brand visibility and recognition. So right now we're just going to touch base on Intaflex Jiffy CMS, how it can help you with your optimization. Very user-friendly interface, very intuitive, making it easy for you to manage and update your website's content. This ensures that your site stays fresh, relevant, a crucial aspect of your optimization. Content management. You can efficiently manage and organize your website's content. This includes adding, editing, and deleting pages, posts, multimedia elements, which is essential for keeping your site up to date and engaging. SEO friendly. This allows you to optimize your content for search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, AOL. You can easily add and modify your tags, titles, descriptions to improve your site's visibility and search engine results pages. Mobile responsiveness. Again, this is critical for optimization as Google and other search engines prioritize mobile-friendly sites in their rankings. Speed optimization. Jiffy CMS includes features for optimizing your website's loading speed. Fast loading pages improve your user experience and contribute to higher search engine rankings. Security. So, security is definitely a vital aspect of your website optimization. Jiffy CMS offers security features to protect your site from vulnerabilities and potential threats. So, this enhancing your user trust and search engine optimization. Customization. You can customize the design and layout of your website with Jiffy CMS, ensuring that it aligns with your brand's identity and your user preferences, making it easy to create that clear picture for your client of who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it, and why they should go with your services. Analytics integration. You can integrate with analytics tools, allowing you to track your user behavior, gather data, make data-driven decisions to further optimize your website. Scalability. As your website grows, Jiffy can scale with it. This scalability ensures that your optimization efforts can accommodate expanding content and functionality. Collaboration. Our CMS supports collaboration among team members, facilitating efficient content creation and management. Regular updates often to improve your performance, security, and features, helping you stay current with optimization best practices. Customer support. So InfoFlex, we typically offer customer support, ensuring that you have assistance and guidance when optimizing your website with Jiffy. By leveraging Jiffy, you can easily streamline the process of website optimization, make it easier to maintain and up to date, provide a user-friendly site, be sure to have an SEO optimized website. And getting started with InfoFlex is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Contact InfoFlex directly through their website, or you can contact myself and express your interest in exploring a partnership for website optimization. We do an initial needs assessment to make sure that all of your needs are met and your website is created to the detail that you like. And then we launch your website. Bottom line, website optimization is a strategic investment that not only enhances your online experience and presence, but also drives increased traffic, engagement, and conversions. It's a fundamental component of a successful digital marketing strategy. So the key takeaways that you should have gotten from this is optimization is essential in today's digital world. Optimization is a strategic investment, not a cost. And optimization is easy.